Have you ever noticed that some TPT stores seem to attract new buyers over and over again? New traffic, new teachers, new sales consistently. Meanwhile, other stores seem to depend on luck. A good month, a good product, a good season. Then things slow down again. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've been selling on TPT for nearly 2 decades. And one thing I know is this: strong stores usually create a predictable way for new buyers to discover their store. And that changes everything. Many TPT sellers focus heavily on products. And products matter, of course they do. But eventually, you start seeing something interesting. Not all products contribute to growth in the same way. Some products generate a sale, then the process ends. Other products introduce new buyers to the store itself. They create visibility, discovery, trust, and movement. Over time, those products become incredibly important because growth becomes easier when new buyers continue finding their way into the store. That's why some stores seem to create momentum year after year. They're not just generating sales, they're creating buyer entry. And buyer entry creates sales. Early in my business, I mostly evaluated products by sales. Did it sell? Did it perform? Was it worth creating? But eventually I realized certain products were doing far more than generating revenue. They were bringing new buyers into my store. And over time, those products became some of the most valuable assets in my store. A lot of TPT sellers focus on what products to sell. But eventually, a more powerful question becomes, which products bring new buyers into the store consistently? Because growth becomes much easier when discovery is happening all the time. If your growth always feels unpredictable, the issue might not be effort. It might be how new buyers are entering your store. If you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you pinpoint the constraint inside your store so that you can make clearer growth decisions. And in the next video, I'm going to explain why some TPT products become powerful entry points that attract buyers, increase visibility, and strengthen growth across the entire store. I will see you in the next video.